Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Whenever India test fires any missile, the first thing which China and Pakistan do is to check what missile is that and in what way it would be a threat for them. Not only this, they would also start comparing it with the missiles in their inventory to project that they are far superior than the missile which India test fired. One such situation has come up recently, and this is with China. As soon as India test fired the new member of Agni missile family, which is Agni Prime, the Chinese defense sources started analyzing this missile to understand more about its power and combat strength. Before getting into further details, let me give a quick intro or definition about Agni Prime or Agni P. The Agni Prime is a medium-range ballistic missile being developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization as a successor for Agni 1 and Agni 2 missiles. The Agni Prime is the sixth missile in the Agni series of ballistic missiles family, and it is said to be the smallest and the lightest of Agni series, equipped with a canister-based launch system. The speciality of these Agni Prime missiles are the upgrades done with regards to the composite motor casing, the maneuverable re-entry vehicle, the improved propellants, the navigation and guidance systems. Agni Prime can be either transported on a train or stored in a canister. As mentioned before, a lot of new technologies have been incorporated in these ballistic missiles. With a rocket-propelled self-guided strategic weapon system that follows a ballistic trajectory to deliver a payload from its launch site to a predetermined target. Just like what I mentioned in the beginning of this video, a few days back, the Chinese defense analysts started comparing these Agni Prime missiles with their DF-21D anti-ship ballistic missile. Now, since the comparison has started happening, let us quickly compare these two missiles from our side and see in what way they are similar. If we begin with the propellant used in both of these missiles, they are the solid propellant. Yes, both the Chinese DF-21D and the India's Agni Prime use a solid propellant. Next one to compare is the range. Range of Agni Prime is between 1000 to 2000 km, and the range of Chinese DF-21D is said to be around 1500 km. Coming to accuracy, both missiles are said to have an accuracy of 10 mCEP. So what actually is the CEP all about? In the military science of ballistics, the circular error probability, which is the expansion of CEP, is a measurement of a weapon system's precision. As of now, we don't have a clear update on the dimensions of Agni Prime missile, even though it is said to be a smaller, a lighter and a sleeker version. If we see the dimension of the Chinese DF-21D, the length is 10.7 meters, the diameter is 1.4 meters and it weighs around 14,700 kg. Coming to the guidance system, the Agni Prime uses inertial navigation systems based on advanced ring laser gyroscopes. Gyroscopes show the location of the missile and the trajectory it is taking, and it is said that the ring laser gyroscopes are more accurate. Now coming to the Chinese DF-21D, the Chinese DF-21D missiles use both inertial and radar guidance system, which increases the speed upon re-entering the Earth's atmosphere to avoid missile defense system and ensure a direct hit on moving sea-based targets. So that was a quick update on the recent happenings with the Agni Prime missile and the reaction of China post-India testing this particular missile. We also saw a quick comparison between Agni Prime of India and Chinese DF-21D anti-ship medium-range ballistic missiles. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.